Miller buying power.
Y'all look at OJ Bronco right there, though, for sale. Okay, y'all, so here's some cars right here. We got the Golf right here. 2.5, the Rabbit. What y'all think about this? It's a manual. The clear coat is yeah, it's coming up a little bit. Lights need a good clean. Let's see what they're asking. Let's see, Golf is a 2.5 liter. We saw that back there. $2,800. Well, I guess they were asking 28 first, and they brought it down to 2,500. 137,000 miles. I mean, what do y'all think? Looks pretty good. Got some clear coat peeling up there. Got a Lancer. I know this all too well. This girl used to work with me at my first job when I was 16, and she had the same Lancer, same color. Definitely for this, $2,000. So this is an 03. They were asking 2,500. They lowered it down. They got 72,000 miles. That is not bad at all. Okay, 72,000 miles on it. Automatic. Cloth interior. It looks pretty good inside. I know they cleaned it up. What y'all think about the Lancer? It's an ES. We got the Golf. What y'all think? Let's take a look at the front. The lights need to be cleaned. The lights are hazy. I hate hazy lights. You gotta clean those things up. You gotta scuff in the bumper, but it only has 72,000 miles on it, so that is not bad at all. Not bad at all. So, yeah, look at this Honda. This one looks good. It's an 09. It's a 6-speed V6. Oh, these papers in the window. It's a stick. Black leather seats. Honda. That's the Accord. Thing about this Accord. This is let me see here. Yeah, because it's not closed all the way. You see that? I don't know. Maybe somebody rear-ended this thing once upon a time. What I need is a pickup truck. Something like tow. None of these are gonna do it. They got the Mazda. Altima. I miss my Altima, honestly. I really do. Mine was white with the black top. This one got the cloth seat. I had tan leather seats in my Altima. No, this one might be like a 05. Mine was a 03. And I really miss it. Things start having some issues, so I already seen the Mazda. So Mazda 3 over there. This pickup truck, it can tow, but I don't really look at the Rangers as the Ford Rangers as being able to tow well. What do y'all think? We got the Honda Fit here. Yeah, I hate those windows. Like it'd be a taxi. This thing is good on gas, though. I'll tell you that. Them hazy lights. Honda van. You know, I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of people that don't like vans because they think they look like a soccer mom or a soccer dad. I love vans, but these are not good. The transmissions, these things always have transmission problems. And then you got the Buick. Everybody seems to love. Got the Geo over here. I need a truck. What's up with the little Mazda over there? I don't know why I always see big people squeezing into them. Those little Miatas. Always some big people squeezing into a little Miata. Get out and they be like 50 feet tall. Hold on, I seen, of course they got tons of Jeeps over here. Look at that Zuzu over there. The old rodeo. Love this Civic right here. Got the little, well, ain't that big, but you know, it probably makes some noise when it starts up. I like it. Got the big old spoiler on the back there. No scratches, but ain't nothing serious. Little rims on there. Let's see. Look at the interior. That's nice. Look like it comes off. Those are nice. So, is it like cloth underneath? Like red and black interior. It's automatic, so I can drive it. This thing looks nice, y'all. Let's take a look in the back. Black interior in there so it can look, you know, or not look, but match the car. So it can match the car. You got the emblem missing. Black grill on there. The little Miata. Those things are too small for me. I like this. 115,000 miles. A 2010 Civic. Got the sunroof. I don't know what they're asking, but I would love to have this thing. Nice. But yeah, they don't really have any pickup trucks here. So, I don't know. We'll look at the little Miata. They got little 16,000 on it. Ouch. This black looks good. Not a Hyundai fan, but Hyundai. I would drive it though. Got the screen in there. Now if it's push to start, take a look. Really see if it is. It might be. Not bad looking SUV. I don't know, but I really I need a truck. Need a truck, everybody. Something that can tow. Let's see. This guy, it says what? It has low miles on it, very clean. 42,000 miles. That ain't bad. The Buick Century. I don't know. We need a big truck. So, it got to be able to fit the kids. Oh, they got a van back there. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to go look back there at the van. We got a Mustang over here. A 92 Mustang. 102,000 miles. I don't really like the 92s though. Anybody got 92 Mustang? What you think about them? I don't like the 92. It looks too boxy. Some of these doors are open, but I'm not gonna look inside because this is actually like a buy here, pay here place, and I don't want no more going on. Police rolling up on me. What do y'all think about the 92? Do you like them? I don't like them. I don't like them at all. And then you got the van back there. I don't know if I can go back there and look at it, so we're just gonna zoom in on it. It's not the high top like what we had, but yeah. So you got the Pontiac right here. I don't like these either. That's a well, they don't got what I'm looking for, so we're just gonna keep it moving. But that Honda, those Accord. Look, I found a red Sentra. Obviously, this one is newer than mine, but it's red. Look at the Sentra. Since I got the Sentra, I've been looking at the Sentras now. Crazy. I got some bubbling in the back window. That's basic. Something crazy is I used to work at a rental car place, and when the Sentras come out new, I hated them because one of them, the center console, broke in it, so I thought it was cheap as crap. But I actually like the things now. We got an LS 430 out here, Lexus. Got the tinted windows in the back. Y'all see the Lexus. It's a V8. It's a LS 430, I said. Super clean. It's V8. Has low miles. 101,000 miles. That's a nice looking Lexus right there. Take a look at it. And then this Versa, $1,000. I don't like the Versa. My grandmother used to have one of those. So now I look at it as like a granny car. Y'all look at the Jeeps. We got the burgundy, maroon, whatever you want to call it. We can throw some gold on there. Try to match the Redskins. I'm a Skins fan. Redskins and Ravens. My Ravens could have made it to the Super Bowl this year. And the Carolina Panther blue. We're not even going to say what blue this is. Not my team. That's the enemy. This thing sits up a little bit high. Look at that. Got the fat tires. Look at that. All right. This one got regular tires. I can't drive. I'm sure all of these are sticks. I can't drive, but I love Jeeps though. I want one of these, but I want the what is it? The Safari. Oh, this really got big tires on it. Look at that. That color. They're only asking $1,995 cash, guys. That's it. Man, I don't know. I like that color though. Man, I would buy this. I want the this is unzipping a little bit too. Let's see if we can get in there. I don't want to do that and break, mess anything up.
11. Goodbye. Bye.